Hello, welcome. Today I've got another ink review video for you, and this is a sample from Pennonia, and I don't know how to pronounce the name. It looks like Napnyugta, but it means sunset. And I've already reviewed Sunrise, and that had a different name as well that I couldn't pronounce, but you should be able to find that one. So I'm very excited to try this one. Let's do a swatch real quick. And so far, this is definitely less bright than the Sunrise one. And this one looks like it has a little bit more orange to it than the Sunrise. But it looks really nice. Okay. Whoops. Okay, I'm going to put both names here. There we go. I find that sometimes when searching for ink names, it's helpful to have the original name as well as the translated name. So that's how the swatch looks so far. I'm going to put this under a fan to dry and I'll be right back. All right, I'm back and I'm going to do some tests. We're going to start with some copy paper and just see how it performs, because sometimes you don't have access to the nicer paper. Maybe you're at work or school or something and you just want to know if your ink will perform well. All right, let me see. I'm going to try to put both names. And sunset. And this is copy paper. All right, so that's how it looks so far. Kind of a pretty orangey gold color so far. We're going to see how that dries. And then here is some HP 32 paper. And HP 32 is a very nice, smooth copy paper. And the ink tends to perform really well on this. Sometimes you can even see the special effects in the ink. So I always like to do a sample test on this. All right. And this is HP 32. And if there are any colors that you would like to see me review, leave a suggestion, and if I have the ink or if I can get it, then we'll do a review video. All right, and that's how that's looking so far. Really pretty. It looks like there might be some shading, which is super exciting because I love shading. All right, and here is the Tomoe River paper. And Tomoe River is very smooth as well, and the ink usually shows off its properties very nicely on this paper, so I always like to do a test with it. There we go. This is Tomoe River. And if you like these videos or if they're helpful to you at all, don't forget to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. It really helps us out, and I appreciate everybody who likes and subscribes and who watches our videos. All right, there we go. I'm going to check on our swatch and see if it's dry. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back. So here's how this looks on the copy paper. It's a really pretty, kind of a creamy color, like a creamsicle orange type color. Very, very pretty. And it performed very well, no feathering or anything, so this would be a good one on any type of paper, it looks like. And then here is some HP 32, and already you can see the color is much richer and more vibrant than it is on the copy paper. And also you've got this beautiful shading in here, which is wonderful because I love shading. So this is a really, really nice color and really nice ink. And then here it is on the Tomoe River, and you can see here how the colors break out. You've got this more of that creamsicle orange and then like a darker color and this lovely shading around the edges. And in the writing, there's lots of shading. So this is a really pretty ink, and it behaves very well. And there's one other nice thing about it, and I wanted to show that to you. Hopefully the camera will pick this up, but this is definitely neon. It fluoresces so well under a black light. This is really pretty and a lot of fun. So this might even work as a highlighter color or something, or anything you'd want to use a fluorescent ink for. This is really pretty, and it has and I really like that fluorescent aspect of it. I think it makes it a lot of fun. And the other one, the Sunrise ink, did the same thing. So I just wanted to show that to you. And then here is our swatch, and you can see the beautiful shading and the writing down there, and how pretty this swatch came out. You've got this lovely halo shading here around the edges, and it goes from this lighter creamy color down to this darker orange. This is a really pretty color on its own, but then with the added fun of the fluorescence, it just makes it super special. So if you like inks that have a fun special property, or that have a lot of good shading or an unusual color, this would be a good one to get. I'll try to find a link for it to leave down below for you. And thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.